I got lots of avocado here. This is fresh from the backyard, from the farm. I mean, backyard. So look at that avocado, so fresh and big. Mm. This is evergreen. This color until this avocado get ripe won't change. Still the same color like this, green. So we call it here evergreen. Look at that. If you're here, I'm going to give you some, at least two of it, three. How many pieces are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, fresh from the farm. Don't forget to click subscribe our channel.